How to get around New York subway with Google Maps. Hello and welcome to One to Step. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can get around New York subway with Google Maps. For that, you'll have to open your Google Maps application on your mobile device. At the top, you will find the search bar. Click on the search bar, enter your destination by typing its name or address. After doing that, you will see directions button here. Click on this directions and choose your location. Once your destination is set, tap the transit icon symbolized by this train icon. After doing that, at the bottom of the screen, Google Maps will display the various routes available, including subway options. Tap on the route you prefer to see more details. Click on this preview, and then Google Maps will provide step-by-step directions, including which subway line to take, where to transfer, and how long each leg of the journey will take. Now follow these step-by-step directions provided by Google Maps, and then you should be able to navigate the New York City subway on Google Maps. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.